Hello everyone, let's solve this question. Solve the following inequality and state the integral solutions. When we consider this inequality, it is a compound inequality since it has two different inequality signs. So we have to separate it to two inequalities. The first one will start from here up to here. Then the other inequality will start from 6 up to the last part of the inequality. Now here we'll be having two different linear inequalities where we solve them independently and combine the solutions. We start with the first one. A half into bracket 24 minus 4x is greater than 6 into bracket 3x minus 4 over 3. We work out bracket first to get the value of x. 24 multiplied by a half is the same as 12 minus 4x multiplied by a half is the same as 2x is greater than 6 multiplied by 3 is 18x and 4 over 3 multiplied by 6 is the same as negative 8. We collect like terms together. We bring negative 8 to this side of the equation and we take negative 2x to the other side of the equation. This one will be 18 plus 8 is greater than 18x. When we take negative 2x to the right hand side of the equation, it will change the sign from negative to positive. So this one becomes plus 2x. On this side we'll be having 20 is greater than 18x plus 2x is 20x. So 20 is greater than 20x. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x to get the value of x. So we divide by 20, divide by 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So 1 is greater than x. And that becomes your solution for the first inequality. We go to the other inequality, which is 6 into bracket 3x minus 4 over 3, which is greater than or equal to negative 2 over 3 into bracket 42 plus 3x. 3x multiplied by 6 is 18x minus 4 over 3 multiplied by 6 is the same as 8, greater than or equal to negative 2 all over 3 multiplied by 42. This one becomes negative 28 plus, sorry, this one is minus negative 2 over 3 multiplied by 3x. That one becomes minus 2x. Collect like terms together. We bring negative 2x to this side and take negative 8 to the other side. The signs will change. So this one becomes 18 plus 2x is greater than or equal to negative 28. Now we take negative 8 to the other side of the equation. It will be plus 8. 18 plus 2x is the same as 20x greater than or equal to negative 28 plus 8 is the same as negative 20. To get the value of x, we divide it by the coefficient of x. So this one will be 20x is greater than or equal to negative 20. We divide both sides by 20. This 20 and 20 will cancel, so x will be greater than or equal to negative 20 divided by 20 is the same as negative 1. Now we combine the solutions. This one will be 1 is less than x from the answer here. 1 is greater than x and the same x is greater than or equal to negative 1. So these are the integral solutions of that linear inequality and you can write your solutions as 1, 0 and -1. -1 is inclusive in this linear inequality. That becomes your answer. Let's look at question number 2. Solve the following linear inequalities and represent the solution on a number line. We start with the first linear inequality, which is 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 10. To solve for x, we take positive 1 to the other side. It will be -1. So 3x is greater than or equal to 10 minus 1. 3x is greater than or equal to 10, subtract 1, you get 9. We divide both sides by 3. X is greater than or equal to positive 9 divided by 3 is the same as positive 3. That's the value of x in the first linear inequality. Now we solve the next linear inequality, which is 2 into bracket x minus 1 is less than 8x minus 32. We open the bracket, we multiply 2 with everything inside the bracket. This one will be 2x minus 2 is less than 8x minus 32. We collect like terms together. So we take 2x to the other side of the equation and bring -32 to the left hand side of the linear inequality. This one will be -2 minus 32 will be positive 32 is less than 8x, and when we take positive 2x to the other side of the inequality, it will be -2x. -2 plus 32 is the same as 30 is less than 8x minus 2x is the same as 6x. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1 and 30 divided by 6 is 5. So now you have 5 as less than x. You have the answer for the second inequality and the answer for the first inequality. So we combine them. So you start with 5 is less than x, and the same x here is greater than or equal to 3. Now, to represent your solution on a number line, we can draw our number line using a straight line. We usually know that at the center of the number line we have number 0 which is the origin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the other side we have 1, 2, 3. Numbers on the left hand side will always be negative numbers, so this one will be -3, -2, -1. Now, to represent this one on a number line, we draw a circle at +3 and another circle at +5. We join the two circles using a straight line. Now, when we look at our x here, x is greater than or equal to 3. That means 3 is inclusive, so we shade the circle at 3. But the same x is less than 5. So when it is less than 5, we will not shade this circle to mean that x is less than 5. And that becomes your solution on a number line. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.